getting ready to get that bumper right now. Man, this thing is sick. Like, look at that corner. Like, what the heck is that? What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode from BackYardBoyz. We just got back from vacation and we got a surprise waiting for us at the front door. This thing took about 3 months to come, and I'm super anxious, and I can't wait to show you guys what is inside. The goal for today's video is to unbox all the parts that we got for the GTR, show you guys what is inside this box and this box. Look at the height of this thing. I'm also going to be taking off the top portion from the backrest of the seat because it is ripped due to the accident. I'm going to be sending it into L&D Solutions. Shout out to L&D Solutions for the hookup. Thank you, brother. So the majority of the parts came in, and we're going to do a quick unboxing. Unfortunately, the quarter panel and the door is already open, and so is the headlight. The reason it's open is because, like I said, I bought the car when I was out of country. So I asked my brother to open them up and inspect them for damage, and they turned out to be good. And so here's the quarter panel. I got it straight from Nissan, brand new quarter panel skin. The headlight though, some guy on Instagram hooked it up. Brand new, not brand new, it's a used one, used OEM quality headlight. And then the door, I got this door used off of eBay. It's good condition, no damage, no dents. It is wrapped though, so we're gonna see how the paint under that. And the handle's wrapped, everything's wrapped. So yeah, we're gonna get to that. And then I got a couple more parts for here. We're gonna attack the parts right now. See what we got. Oh, nice. Yep, I ordered clear corner lights for the bumper because I didn't really like the yellow. So these right here, they go right here. Bam. So I got one, and it's OEM Nissan. Nissan, these are actually pretty tough to find because everyone sells the yellow or the orange ones, and they're pretty ugly. Oh, there it is. And that's the difference between them. Alrighty, let's keep going. What do we got here? Oh, nice. It's the airbag. How's that right here? And there she is. Gonna get that swapped out. Nice. Got herself a passenger mirror. As you can see, this puppy's gone from the accident. So we got ourselves a passenger mirror. It's pretty good, just minor scuffs. That's actually just some adhesive, probably should wipe off, but we're still gonna be painting it, so it's not a big deal. My bumper and my rocker panel is gonna come in 2 days. So once that comes in, we're gonna tear those apart. We still got this fender though. This fender is from Japan, so it took like 3 weeks to ship, to come. And I have actually not opened it, and I'm very curious on the condition of it because it's a used fender. Oh, great. Look at that. See that? Awesome. It's already some damage. some more damage right there. See that? It's bad. Otherwise, looks to be good. Yeah, that's not good.
Unfortunate.
I'm gonna have to text the guy on eBay and tell him, give me some money back. Alrighty. Once the bumper comes in and the rocker panel comes in, I'm gonna show you guys the unboxing of that. So. Check this thing out, dude. Look at that carbon fiber. Check that out. Dude. That's gonna look so good. Check that lip out. Snap. These are sick. These are side skirts. Nismo style side skirts. We're gonna test fit how they fit. Because unfortunately the bumper fits like crap, honestly. It's just the junk fitment I've ever seen in my life. And I'm super upset. I'm gonna have to go with the OEM bumper. Come take a look. Anything I do to make this side pop in, then this side pops out. As soon as I get that to pop in, this pops out because it's too small. The fitment up top is just junk. These corners, take a look right here. Like, look at that corner. Like, what the heck is that? I'm gonna try to get my money back for it because I paid a lot of money for that bumper. We'll see how it goes. So we got the box unpackaged and I'm super disappointed because I waited 3 months for this thing and the bumper fits like complete crap. So luckily I found someone local, which is complete like miracle because his bumper is the same color as my car and its paint protection wrap has a clear bra on it. So I'm gonna go right now pick it up and we're gonna have to send this one back or do something because I'm not even planning to make it work. It's gonna look horrible for a clean car like this. I'm getting ready to get that bumper right now. So we got the new bumper back at the house. We're gonna take this bumper off and test fit the new bumper. I first gotta put the lip onto the new bumper. That way the bumper is complete and it does not need any paint. But tonight we can't do it, we got a couple errands. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. It is the next day here and we are ready to start working on the bumper. We're gonna attach the lip onto the bumper and we're gonna test fit it up to the car. So we got the bumper all buttoned up, we put the lip on, now we're gonna test fit on the car. Wow, this thing fits so easy, it's not even funny. Come look at this side. Look at that paint match. That's identical, look at that. I gotta polish that, but look at that thing. Man, I'm excited. Dude, that actually matches really good, what the heck? Look at that, dude, that's like literally perfect. That's insane. So here's the seat, this is the passenger seat. It got, the airbag blew and it ripped open the seat, as you can tell. Right down there. So I'm gonna get this centerpiece replaced and get it all stitched up. There she is. So these are all the parts we had to take off to get this backrest apart. We're gonna send this in. Hopefully it's gonna get back to us real quickly so we can assemble it, put the seat right back in the car. All right guys, that is a wrap for part 5 of the GTR build. That is the majority of the parts that we got for the car. Anything else that comes, I will show you guys later on, part 6, part 7. Stay tuned for the next part. We are going to be prepping the car for paint. I'm super excited. I can't wait to show you guys that. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below, let me know how I did, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.